So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the sticky note color here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up the freeform application. Once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and go to my untitled 4 document right here, which is just a blank document. Now to add a sticky note, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the bottom right to where it says go to the bottom left where there's that sticky note icon in between. Second from the left, press on the sticky note icon right here. Now by default, the sticky note is actually yellow, but if you want to change the color of it, it's super simple. Press on the sticky note right here to open up this bottom tab, and where there's that yellow circle in the bottom left, press on that, and you can simply go ahead and change it to whatever color you're looking for. So you can change it to blue, green, orange, red, purple, or gray, whatever the case may be. So if you want to go ahead and do blue right here, you can press on done. Now the sticky note is the color blue. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to edit sticky note color here on Freeform. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.